Students, now we will see sorting techniques. Three types of sorting techniques will be seen: bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting technique. It just compares the adjacent numbers. Suppose the given number is arranged in the array. First two numbers are compared. It is not in the sorted order. It is swapped. The next two numbers are compared. It is in the sorted order. We need not swap, and it is not in the sorted order. We have to swap. Likewise, we have to compare all the adjacent elements. See, in this algorithm, the first element is considered as I. Next element is I plus 1 in the array. So I and I plus 1 are compared. It is not in the sorted order. We have to swap. Likewise, I is incremented and all adjacent elements are. In this example, 14, 33, 27, 35, 10 are taken. First two elements, adjacent elements are compared, 14 and 33. Already it is in sorted order, no need to swap. Then 33, 27 is compared. It has to be swapped. 33 and 27 is swapped. Next, 33 and 35 are already in sorted order. Next, 35 and 10 is compared. It has to be swapped. Then one iteration is over. Again we have to start from the 14. 14 and 27 is already in the sorted order. 27 and 10 is compared. It has to be swapped. Then remaining things are in the sorted order. Now only 10 and 14 to be swapped. Now the entire array is in the sorted order. Second is selection sort. In selection sort, we have to fix one element, that is first element is minimum or maximum. In our case we are considered that is the minimum. The first element is fixed. This is compared with all the remaining elements. After one set of comparison over, we have to increment the minimum element is from first to second element. See, in the first element with the location 0 is fixed as minimum. So minimum element is compared with all the elements in the list. After one iteration is over, next we have to move the minimum position from location 0 to location 1. Then from 1 it is compared with all the remaining elements. Then we have to increment the minimum location from 1 to 2. Likewise, we have to compare all the elements. In this example, see, as per the definition, first element is fixed. So it is taken the vertical order 8, 5, 9, 10, 2, 1. So first element is compared with all the remaining elements. So first 8 is compared with 5. It is not in the sorted order. We have to swap 5 and 8. Now 5 is the first position is fixed. Now 5 is compared with the next element 9. It is no need to swap. Now 5 is compared with 10. It is also no need to change. Now 5 is compared with 2, it has to be swapped. Next, 2 is compared with 1. Now the first element is the minimum element. One iteration is over. Now we have to start the second iteration. Move the fixed position from first location to 0th location to first location. Now it is moved to 8 because first number is already the minimum number. Now the second number is compared with all the remaining numbers. So 8 is compared with 9. It is no need to exchange. Now 8 is compared with 10. It is also in the sorted order. Now 8 is compared with 5. It has to be swapped. Now 5 is compared with 2. So finally we have 1, 2, 9, 10, 8, 5. Likewise, we have to do remaining 4 iteration. In third iteration, fixed position is 9. It has to be compared with 10, 8, 5. So after that we have to move the fixed position to 4th location, 3rd location, 4th location, 5th location. This is how selection sort is done. Then third one is insertion sort. In insertion sort, we have one array of elements. We have to take the first element as sorted element because only one element we are taking. No need to sort. We have to consider remaining elements as unsorted array. After that, we have to take one element from the unsorted array. It is compared with the sorted array. Likewise, we have to take one element from the unsorted to inserted into the sorted array. So we are taking from unsorted to sorted. We are inserting from unsorted array to sorted array. This is how it is called insertion sort. So in this example, see, we are taking the first element in this algorithm. The first element is sorted, remaining elements are unsorted array. So we have to pick one element from the unsorted array. First element from the unsorted array, it is compared with the sorted array, arranged in the sorted manner. Next, we have to select the next element from the unsorted array. It is compared with sorted element. Likewise, we have to pick one element from unsorted and it is inserted into the sorted array. So in this example, 7, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. We have to take the first element and it is considered as sorted. 7 is the sorted. Remaining element 2, 4, 1, 5 are unsorted. Next, we have to take first element from the unsorted array. 2, it is compared with the sorted element. 2 and 7 are compared and it is arranged in the sorted manner 2 and 7. Next, we have 4, 1, 5, 3 in the unsorted list. Next, 4 is taken. It is compared with 7 and 2. And it is arranged in the sorted order 2, 4, 7. Now we have to take 1 from the unsorted list. It is compared with 7, 4 and 2. It is arranged in the order 1, 2, 4, 7. Next, 5 has to be taken. It is compared with 7, 4, 2, 1. It is arranged in order. Finally, we have 3. It is also compared with the sorted array. Now everything is arranged in the sorted order. This is how bubble sort, insertion sort and selection sort is performed. So using this idea, you have to sort the given data, that is 9, 5, 7, 2, 4, 1 using bubble selection and insertion sort. Thank you.